Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Vercel webhooks to Zapier for AI workflow starts easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to your Vercel dashboard. Select your project from the list. Click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Integrations section. Find the Webhooks option and click on it. Click the Add Webhook button. Choose an event that you want to trigger the webhook. Copy the webhook URL provided in your Zapier account. Open a new tab and sign in to your Zapier account. Click on Make a Zap to create a new Zap. Select the Webhooks by Zapier app as the trigger. Choose the Catch Hook option. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Zapier into the Vercel webhook configuration. Save the webhook settings in Vercel. Return to Zapier and click on Test Trigger. Zapier will wait for a webhook to be sent. Return to your Vercel dashboard and trigger the event you selected. Go back to Zapier, where you should see the test data received. Click Continue to proceed with your Zap. Now, select the action app that you want to connect with. Set up the action using the data received from Vercel. Test the action to ensure everything is working correctly. If successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Your Vercel webhooks are now connected to Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.